Hello, if you see me for the first time, I go by the name DJ B2KID. Of course, Afrobeat mobile DJ. So in today's video, I want to be sharing with you on how I use my mobile phone to do my DJ mix. And secondly, I'm doing this video to encourage people out there who have passion for this DJ, or maybe because you cannot afford like the laptops, the mixers, and all of that, so you feel discouraged. So in this video, I want to encourage you to not give up, because you can always start from somewhere. Like, I bet you after watching this video, you will realize that even your mobile phone is one of the DJ tools you are holding on your phone. So what are you waiting for? Let's dive in.
So after downloading and launching the Cross DJ app on your phone, open it. Allow it to load to the fullest. So once it is done, this is how it will look like. Then click on the plus sign to add the tracks. Here you will need to create a playlist. Create the playlist of the mix you are about to do. Or if you are doing Amapiano, Afrobeat, any kind of mix, like have a playlist so that you won't go and start looking for the next track to play. But once you have the playlist, like everything will be down, just add and play. So this is short playlist I created for these tutorials. Playlist consists of 4 tracks, but I will play only 3 because of time. Then add your tracks to the decks. Start adding your tracks. After adding the tracks, set your desired mix tempo. I love my mix faster, so you can set your own. Either slow, just set yours. Set the decks too, which is very important. After setting everything, once you're done with the settings, you can go ahead and press play. Then lastly, you can watch how I did this mix to learn more about transition between 2 tracks. Good luck.
Bad man. I am bad man. Yeah. Say what's on my mind. Me, I got no time. Nobody can stop. Waiting got the sign. Me, I'm not the pastor. Me, I love them who wine. The boy no they entitled. If you treat me right, it's fine. Right. Wine for me, sexy girl, then wine for me. Right now, me no got no time to keep no dirty company. Only positivity, no bad energy. I live my life the way I want. The only one apology. Come back on another day. Me, I know my talent and my people want to play. Nobody really care what I ever got to do.
Everybody follow, you don't go. I will be put out for my body, I don't blow. Let them say you do go, you don't show. Sanku block one babito, they don't show. They don't bro, come on for bando. Organic way, when we lap then go give way. They don't go, come on for bando. Organic way, when we lap then go give way.
What's the man go do without that kind of shit? You know easy to get friend like David that delegate. You know go one know where to stop that time, remember that no keep it. 20K, 30K, you know take it carry up it. They bring the shine like a low key, we be like candlelight. I say one day, we'll be just like lights. I keep crying, and this day I do white. Show this in the body.
If you enjoy watching this video, don't forget to hit the subscription